In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to permanently delete files on PC without recovery with BCWipe. BCWipe allows you to wipe selected files and folders beyond forensic recovery. In addition, BCWipe permanently deletes file slack, file attributes, and alternate data streams for NTFS. Open BCWipe Task Manager. Click the Add Task icon. Here you can name your wiping task. Now enable Delete with Wiping. In the Delete with Wiping section, click Add Files. Here you can add files you want to wipe. Now click Add Folder. Here you can add folders or add a file path that you want to wipe. If you have a license for BCWipe Enterprise Edition, you can also add many files to wipe from a list of file paths by clicking Import File List. Now click on the Schedule tab. Here you can set the starting time for the wiping task and its frequency. You can set the task to start as soon as possible and set the frequency to once for the task to run immediately one time. Apart from the regular scheduling, you can also select the task to start at user logon, at startup, or at user logoff/shutdown. Next, click on the Wiping Options tab. Under the Wiping Options tab, you can select from the 19 different wiping schemes. Master File Table, or MFT, is a reserved space on an NTFS disk where the file system stores names and attributes of files. Small files may reside entirely inside the MFT. It is recommended to enable this option for complete security. NTFS is a journaling file system and uses the NTFS log to record temporary data for all your files you have been using. The transactions log file is used to restore the file system in case of a failure. File slack is the disk space from the actual end of a file up to the end of the last cluster used by the file. The space may contain data from files written there previously. Directory slacks may also contain names of the deleted files as well as other deleted data. Check directory slacks if you want to get rid of this unwanted data. Check the write log box if you want the log file afterwards. To start the process, click the Save and Start button. The process will start immediately. You can also just right-click on any file or folder and select Delete with Wiping. The task will follow your previous settings to wipe this folder. Congratulations! You have successfully wiped your files with BCWipe. Now you know how to permanently delete files on PC without recovery. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.